Hey everyone, it's your host from Create Element. Is your WordPress e-commerce store underperforming? You're not alone, and the good news is, you're not stuck. Many online store owners face this exact challenge, wondering where the disconnect lies between visitors and actual paying customers. In this video, we're diving deep into proven tactics that transform casual browsers into loyal, repeat buyers. Whether you're running your store on WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, or another WordPress e-commerce platform, this guide is designed to help you unlock real, tangible revenue growth. We'll cover everything from foundational elements to advanced optimization techniques. Get ready to take notes, because we're about to break down how to build a high-converting WordPress e-commerce machine for 2024 and beyond. Let's get started on boosting those sales. Let's start with the hard truth: why most e-commerce stores fail to convert visitors into paying customers. One of the biggest culprits is slow site speed. Just one extra second of load time can decimate your sales by as much as 7%. Next up, let's talk about mobile nightmares. We live in a mobile-first world. If your store isn't optimized for these devices, you're essentially slamming the door in the face of the majority of your potential customers. Then there's the issue of clunky, overly complicated checkout flows. The more fields you ask a customer to fill out, the higher your cart abandonment rate will be. Simplicity and speed are paramount here. A streamlined checkout is a profitable checkout. Many store owners focus on flashy, complex features while ignoring foundational basics. Prioritize the core user experience: speed, mobile usability, and a smooth checkout before you even think about adding bells and whistles. The first step in turning your store around is a thorough audit of these common pitfalls. Be brutally honest with yourself. How fast does your site really load? Test it rigorously. How does your site look and function on various mobile devices and screen sizes? Actively navigate it as a customer would. Critically examine your checkout process. Are there any steps or fields you can eliminate to make it faster and easier? For site speed, optimize images, leverage browser caching, minify CSS and JavaScript files, or upgrade your hosting plan. For mobile optimization, adopt a mobile-first design approach, ensure touch targets are adequately sized, and simplify navigation. For your checkout flow, minimize form fields, offer guest checkout options, and clearly display progress indicators. By focusing on these core areas, speed, mobile experience, and checkout simplicity, you're building a stronger foundation for growth. You're creating an environment where customers want to shop, leading to more sales and a healthier bottom line for your WordPress e-commerce business. Now that we've addressed the common conversion killers, let's talk about proactive design, specifically, the architecture of a high-converting e-commerce site. The ideal flow typically looks like this: homepage, leading into well-defined category pages, which then allow users to drill down into filtered subcategories. From there, they land on compelling product pages, can easily add to cart, review their selections in the cart, proceed through a streamlined checkout, and finally, arrive at a reassuring thank you page. The key principle here is to make this entire journey intuitive. Your navigation needs to be crystal clear. Consider using mega menus if you have a large inventory. Your calls to action, like Shop Now, Learn More, or Add to Cart, must be prominent and consistently styled throughout the site. Think about the visual hierarchy on each page. Use white space effectively to avoid a cluttered look. Sticky Add to Cart buttons, especially on mobile or long product pages, can be incredibly effective. Your homepage needs to immediately communicate your brand's value proposition and guide users towards your key product categories or current promotions. Category pages should offer helpful sorting and filtering options. Product pages are where the persuasion happens. High-quality, multiple-angle product images are non-negotiable. The transition from product page to cart and then from cart to checkout must be seamless. Ultimately, the goal of your site's architecture is to minimize friction and maximize clarity. Chapter 3. Mobile First, always winning on the small screen. Your WordPress e-commerce store to work perfectly on mobile. Adopting a mobile-first design philosophy isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental requirement for survival and growth in today's e-commerce landscape. Buttons and other interactive elements must be large enough for thumbs to tap accurately and easily. Ensure there's adequate spacing around tappable elements. Sticky headers and navigation bars are another crucial element for a positive mobile experience. Image optimization is paramount on mobile, not just for aesthetics but for speed. Utilize fast-loading image formats like WebP. Implement responsive images that serve different sizes based on the user's device. Forms, especially checkout forms, need to be drastically simplified for mobile users. Minimize the number of fields required. Utilize features like autofill where possible and consider offering one-click payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or PayPal Express Checkout. Design for the mobile user first, considering their context, their needs, and the limitations and advantages of the mobile platform. Regularly test your mobile site on actual devices, not just emulators. Test on different operating systems, iOS and Android, and various screen sizes. Navigate your store as a customer would, search for products, add items to the cart, and go through the entire checkout process. Chapter 4, Checkout that closes the deal. Optimizing the final hurdle. The checkout process. This is it, the final hurdle, the moment of truth where a potential customer either completes their purchase or abandons their cart. Implement a single-page checkout. Consolidating all checkout fields onto a single, well-organized page dramatically reduces the perceived effort and time commitment. Ruthlessly kill unnecessary fields. Only collect the information that is absolutely essential to process the order and provide good customer service. Offering a variety of popular and trusted payment options is non-negotiable. Integrate digital wallets like PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Consider offering Buy Now, Pay Later, BNPL solutions like Klarna or Afterpay. Clearly display trust badges and security seals. Provide clear visual feedback and progress indicators throughout the checkout process. Use inline validation for form fields, providing real-time feedback if an entry is incorrect. Ensure error messages are clear, polite, and helpful. Always offer a guest checkout option. Allow them to purchase as a guest, and then offer them the option to create an account the sale is complete. Chapter 5, Data, Speed, and Tools. Your stack for continuous optimization. To truly build a high-converting e-commerce machine, you need to make your store smarter and faster through continuous monitoring, analysis, and optimization. First and foremost, let's talk about speed optimization tools. For WordPress, plugins like WP Rocket are fantastic for caching, file optimization, lazy loading of images, and database optimization. Perfmatters is another excellent tool that allows you to disable unused WordPress features. Don't forget a content delivery network, CDN, like Cloudflare. Next, you need robust data analytics to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Google Analytics 4, GA4, is essential for tracking website traffic, user engagement, conversion funnels, and e-commerce transactions. Complement GA4 with tools like Hotjar, which provide heat maps, session recordings, and on-site polls and surveys. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for driving organic traffic to your store. For WordPress, a comprehensive SEO plugin like Rank Math or Yoast SEO is a must-have. Consider implementing personalization tools to tailor the shopping experience to individual users. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing automation. Integrate your WordPress store with an email marketing platform like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or ActiveCampaign. The key to leveraging this stack effectively is to adopt a mindset of continuous improvement. Optimize, test, and iterate. Finally, stay updated with the latest trends and best practices in e-commerce and WordPress development. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, I know you're serious about building a WordPress e-commerce store that doesn't just exist but actually sells and thrives. We've covered a lot of ground, from diagnosing why your store might be underperforming to the nitty-gritty of design, mobile optimization, checkout best practices, and the essential tools for data-driven growth. These best practices aren't just random tips or fluff. They are the fundamental building blocks, the very foundation for creating a high-converting e-commerce machine that consistently turns visitors into customers. Implementing these strategies will take effort, there's no doubt about it. But the potential return on that investment, increased sales, higher customer satisfaction, and a stronger brand presence, is immense. Think of this as your blueprint for success. Start by tackling the low-hanging fruit, perhaps the speed optimizations or a quick review of your checkout fields, and then systematically work through the more involved aspects like mobile-first redesign or setting up advanced analytics and personalization. Every improvement you make, no matter how small it seems, contributes to a better overall customer experience and a healthier bottom line. So, what's next? Take action. Smash that like button if you found this video valuable, and make sure you subscribe to Create Element for our weekly WordPress strategy drops. We're always sharing fresh insights to help you succeed, and most importantly, we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments below what's your biggest e-commerce challenge right now. Is it traffic, conversions, tech issues, or something else? We'll do our best to offer advice, and your question might even inspire our next video topic. Thanks for watching, and here's to your e-commerce success.